Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do my makeup. I mean, that's basically all we ever do. I am wearing something rather colorful and I'm gonna give it my best shot at doing a full look. I'm just pulling together my colors that I want to use for this look. I want to pull out these colors that I have in my shirt. I'm gonna really go for it today. I'm gonna really do it, guys. Real deal face makeup. Of course, I could have been prepared, but why? You know? Alright, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so as usual, I start with eyes because I put so much product on my eyes that I often have a lot of fallout, and additionally, I just think it makes the most sense for me because it really helps me pull my look together, and it's the minimum that I need to do. I don't have to do all the other stuff. I can live with like a very flawed face, but I do like to have eyes on because it does make me look like not sick. So that's the minimum I'm going to do, and if I run out of time, that's what we're gonna roll with. I put both on because I like to generally move quickly, and now that I'm been doing this process for a few times, I feel like I kind of understand what I'm gonna be doing moving forward. You know the drill. I don't know any of these color names, but it's like a color that's very similar to my skin tone, and girl, it is like almost empty. But I'm gonna use this up not just because of Project Pan, but because I hate going into the mall, so I want to like wait till the very last second to like have to go in there and get everything I would need from the store. If I'm not going to be using MAC anymore, you know, do I want to replace this color? I don't know. I haven't decided. I think I'm gonna give it a shot. I also have so many MAC products, and MAC is good. I mean, it's bad in many ways, but it's good quality makeup for the price based on my limited experience. But I'm so loyal to MAC in a way that I don't know that I need to be. You know, like I'm sure there's other great products out there, and I kind of want to explore those, and I won't be able to do it if I don't ever like move out of the MAC family. So now that I have done that, that's kind of like my base. I'm going to take this lighter color and I'm going to put this in the inner corners of my eyes. Now, this is a color that I just got reacquainted with, so I'm really excited because I haven't used it much. It's not heavily used. Well, I guess it's used more than some, but it's not a color that I use often, and it's because it feels very like, it's too light, but it can serve a purpose, and that is what we're here to discover. And I think that like as a lighter color here, you know, that's gonna look good. Then I can put other stuff over it and it's gonna be popping. Next I am going for, actually I think I'm gonna do my Mischief Minx palette, and I think I'm going to, it's like my only palette that I own, so that's why I keep going for it. And you know, it's my trusty handy dandy. I almost take it back, but I actually really like it, so I'm glad I picked it. This has like a ton of colors in there. Mischief Minx works really well for like this outfit, and also maybe natural teas. And I love Flaming Femme here. It's like super cute. I am taking my MAC 252 brush. This is my newer one. I have an older one that I like to use for like darker colors, so this is like my newer one, so I'm going to use this for the lighter colors. And I'm going to pack it on the lid. And this isn't a tutorial, this is just an explanation of my logic. So I'm kind of packing it on my lid, and I'm not really seeing much color payoff. It looks a little warmer, but not like awesome. Instead of packing it, I'm gonna like sweep it across my lower lid and see what happens. Now I'm gonna take the same brush, but on the other side, the underused side, and I'm gonna dip into Mischief Minx, and I'm gonna sweep it across and bring it right up in to where the crease would start. So I'm all about color payout, so I'm really trying to get this like to really show. And this might be like a problem with what I've already done already, because I feel like that's like what I struggle with like every time I try to do my makeup, is that if I put on too much shadow, I don't really see a difference anymore. So this is a clean brush. I'm just gonna sweep this away. It's like just bothering me. Kind of gave me a little natural highlight there. Not that that's cute or anything. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush here, which is for eyeshadow, and I'm going to now dip into Flaming Femme, which is the burgundy-esque color. And I also have another color here. Don't know what it's called, so stop asking. This kind of cranberry color is so pretty. So I'm going to kind of maybe go between the two. You know, I am using mattes and shimmers, and I'm not using them in a particular order or orientation, which perhaps is a problem, but things should work together. They're all from the same line, so I just kind of have that expectation that it's all going to work. Now I'm going to dust off my brush, and I'm going to dip into the Mischief Minx with this brush. And I'm going to reapply it to the lower lid and kind of dust it into that Flaming Femme color. And I still don't want to go in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just trying to blend this out into the Flaming Femme color, and I really kind of just want to see like a little bit of a gradient from here to here. So I'm going to dust this off again because I have a lot going on under there. Looking at this like on camera just to see how I like it. I guess it's looking okay. I mean, it really doesn't look like enough, you know? And I feel like it won't until I put on some other products. So I think I'm gonna do a full face, just kind of assessing like my skin and where it's at. I got like a little tiny pimple here. This is like an old pimple that's going away. I have some acne under my chin, and you know, I have my standard discoloration and general unpleasantness. I think I'm not finished with my shadow yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that cranberry color I showed you guys earlier, and kind of see what that does for this. I mean, this don't look too bad. I'm kind of into it, you know? I could see like, ooh, she really trying here, you know? All right, so I'm gonna like stop doing the shadow for now, and I'm gonna move on to, I'm gonna do foundation. This is Revlon Photo Ready in the shade of, I don't remember, caramel. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm gonna use this side, and I'm going to start applying this all over my face. We are going to be outside. I am going to try a setting powder so that way the elements don't fuck with me too much. It's going to be nighttime or dark at least, so I don't think that I'm going to sweat or be glistening too much. Like the sun is not going to bring out the oils too much, I hope. So I'm going to, I mean, I have my Old Faithful, but since I use foundation, I'm thinking I can use this lighter concealer and it's going to be okay because the two will work really well together. Let's see how this like lays on top of foundation, liquid foundation. With liquid foundation underneath and this on top, like I'm not hating the results like I was before. I like to bring the concealer up, you know, past like my eyes because I like that kind of like look, and also helps clean up like rogue shadow. You know, I'm not mad about how things are looking at the moment, you know. Definitely makeup is thickly applied, but it doesn't feel bad, and it's like not looking like horrible. It's nice to feel some kind of self-satisfaction, you know, not hate everything you're doing on yourself. So I should set this, and I don't know how to do that exactly with like the stuff that I bought, but I did buy some translucent loose powder from Hard Candy. Why don't we give it a shot? So I think I'm supposed to like just like, I'm taking the color one, and I'm supposed to like do something. Oh, I already look stupid. I mean, that's for sure. Oh, I don't know if I did the right thing just now. Oh my god, look at my nails. That's crazy. Ew. Okay, because I just can't wait to find out if I fuck this up, I'm gonna like brush this off now. I don't wanna. It's not coming off. We have to recover from this because we got somewhere to be. Like, we're leaving in 15 minutes. And I'm going to lightly conceal over this bake, and girl, that is like hella dark. So I've learned today that that shit's not cute. I'm okay with that. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my vlog channel, Please Excuse My Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Fridays. We experience a lot of cool shiz, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Please Excuse My Brilliance. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. I might try to do a little under eye stuff. You know, I'm getting adventurous. Like, I think I might just, you know? But I won't do that till later, so I'll leave this brush out. Now I think, what do I want to do? So I think I should put like a finishing powder, or at least like a minimal layer on to kind of set like my center. Look how much there is like in this. Can you see that? I just like, I don't know, there's so much. I didn't mean for that to happen. And all on me and my drawer and everything. So stupid. Because I don't want to use my current beauty blender, I'm going to use this brush, which was something I purchased for the purposes of putting on foundation. It's a MAC 190. This is not great to breathe in. So I got this on. What am I gonna do? Shit, I don't remember. Put that. I was gonna fix my shadow, but I already did that. So I guess I didn't need to do this. Please don't let this be a thing. I hope this brushes off. I'm tired of doing this, you know? It's like, what the fuck? Okay, crisis averted. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else with that. I'm gonna stop. Finish up with my inner situation. So I'm gonna do brows first because I really just kind of want to see what this look is like. Brows really make or break. So I'm gonna do these brows, hopefully not fuck it up, and determine what else I need. I can see that I didn't do like a good job blending my shadow here, and I don't know about this side. I can't quite tell. The lighting's different. I think not, but that's okay. My eyebrow hurts. Okay, so brows are not perfect. That's kind of a peeve of mine. I do like nicer brows. I know they're sisters, or yeah, sisters and not twins, although twins are sisters, duh. But like, I don't want them to be cousins. You know, I want them to be looking like they are closely related. I had them tattooed hella long ago, and they're hella faded and look like shit. You did your makeup different. Oh, you did your hair different. You sound like you're a hater. Fall back. Like, why you notice all my fucking changes? Oh, I wanted to do some color under here, right? I said that. I don't have any eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do my go-to these days, which is just a curled lash and mascara. Actually, I do have some liner. It's just old as fuck, dude. I'm just not gonna keep going. I think this is, you know, good enough for the purposes of pairing with some mascara. I think that if I wasn't really wearing like mascara and stuff, I think it would matter. But I'm wearing mascara. Oh my gosh, what is the deal? So I honestly don't think it's gonna like be super noticeable. So I think I'm just gonna try and let mascara do its thing, which is build out these lashes so that I can move on with my life. Like, oh my god, I'm like late. I'm now officially like late for leaving. I don't know what I'm gonna do for lip. I didn't even think about like my lip. I think the shadow, my liner is kind of noticeably stupid, but so this is like a copper kind of color. Makes my lips look dark, which I don't like. I feel like that makes my lips look funny. So I don't love it. Let's see, can I pair it with like a reddish? So I can like warm it up a little bit. Warm it up. Because I'm about to. Not what I was going for. But it's okay. Russian red is like a fave color. Uh-oh. Getting into dangerous territory. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not doing anything else. Like, I'm done. I need to clean up. Actually, my station's pretty clean because I was doing a little something while I was, you know, between steps. It's like when you cook and you wash dishes, like while you're cooking. So you don't have too much like after dinner. Like, that's basically like this situation. You know, definitely not perfect, but I'm getting there. Like, I think this doesn't look too bad. I wish I could have done it quicker, and I need earrings. And I wish I had more time for a proper outro, but I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.